What's my typical day at Vir like? Well, it's long, intense and exciting. I have a lot of flexibility. I don't have a fixed start time or a fixed departure time. And that's one of the reasons why I love what I do. Come with me, let's go to the lab. Here, we do applied research, what we know as translational research. As we are part of the Vall Hospital campus, we investigate real clinical gaps of real patients, who are referred to us by doctors from the hospital's gynecology unit. This is a referral hospital, so the number of patients and data is huge. Here we can use all the necessary infrastructure for research. Nitrogen biobank, high technology unit, statistics, bioinformatics unit, and the staff that manages them is first class. Hello! And this is a day that often ends here. This is Barcelona, you know.